Hi, and welcome to episode 4 of our Paragliding Winch construction series. In this episode, we are progressing with the project by building the rope guide. We will tackle some CNC work and put together the rope guide components. If you'd like to support my channel, please consider subscribing to my Patreon, where you can find all the details of this project. I've posted purchasing links for the hub motor, controller, throttle, and all the components I use. I will continue to share updates on my Patreon, including the electric remote control schematics. Now, let's dive into the construction of the rope guide. I'm starting the construction of the rope guide by cutting and drilling the side rails. The next step is to drill the holes to connect the rails together, along with the rope feeding mechanism. To begin assembling the rope guide mechanism, I'll use 2x4 piece of wood to match the distance between the main winch rails. This will help me put the mechanism together and keep all the rails aligned. Now I will create the rope guide rollers using aluminum rods. it's the time to start constructing the rope guide using 4 cylindrical guides. Based on a sketch, I've created 3D model in Fusion 360, and in the next step, I'll begin the fabrication process. In the final step, I'll begin assembling the rope guide mechanism, which will complete the mechanical aspect of winch construction.
Let your spirit float without a care. In this tranquil serenity, find your solace. Let the melodies guide you to a place of...
Thank you for watching episode 4. In the next episode, I'll be focusing on the remote control component, including the throttle, transmitter, and receiver. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.